That's why my hair is messy and I'm super tired. I have to go to school in like a minute here, and the Weather Channel says that there's a marginal risk of severe weather today. So I just want to pick up the camera to tell you that, and that we have had crazy heat, like crazy heat. Let me pop up some of the video here. Yeah, it's just been super smoky. Today it's not as bad, but there's supposed to be some severe weather today. So, I just picked up the camera. I'm about to go to school, and I'm gonna update you guys when I get back from school on the weather. Okay, see you guys then. It is now after school, and the wind has picked up really hard. There's some thunder. Starting to rain a little bit.